Hello, salam, namaskar. Welcome to my channel. Here I am creating the pinky shots glittery look for the festive season in the Eid and the party you have to attend and carry this look. This is very easily to create. I love it that look. If you are interested, to please keep on watching. Firstly, I have taken ice cube in a hanky, cotton hanky, and rub it all over my face. I have already cleaned my face with my face wash, and then I have take the ice cube and rub it all over my face in 1 minute. Then I have taken a tissue paper and wipe up all the excess water and then to my face. I have this feeling so cooling and sensation, very nice feeling in summer season. Next I have taken the plum toner. I take it two three drops in my palm and push it all over my face. I take this 2 times. Next I have using the plum lip balm. Next I have using the L'Oreal Paris hydrating moisturizer cream. It's very thick, a light moisturizer in the summer season if you have want to use it. That next I have using the Wet and Wild eyebrow powder, the light shade I have taken, and firstly I fill up the front side of my hair and lining to my eyebrow, and then I have taken the dark shade and fill up all the gaps that I have in my eyebrows, and take the spoolie and comb in there. And next the wax color I have applied in my eyebrows. Next I have take the Darling Isabella concealer. Firstly I have enhanced my eyelid eyebrows, sorry, and highlighted my eyelid. And then I have taken my brush, that is randomly any brush you have taken, the fluffy brush, and blending very well to blend the concealer. And next I have taken the Fit Me Loose powder and set it into the product. And next I have taken the Makeup Revolution Sephora palette, and this is a dark shade. I have building my crease line, building and apply that. I want to be a little bit deft in there. In the same palette I have taken the small brush and apply the outer and the inner part of my eyes, and I am not taking in my middle side, that I have just applying the outer and the inner part of my eyes and building. And next I have building that very nicely, that I want the color. Next I have taken the clean brush and taking the translucent powder of this palette and blended the shade, that no harsh line has been there. Next I have taking the NYX highlighter liquid, that I have taken the my back of my hand and help of the flat brush and push up that. In the same palette I have taken the glittery something purple type of glitter color. Firstly I have applied the brush, but this doesn't work. I have taken to my finger, that is apply very nicely and gentle. Next I have taken the plum liner. I have created very thin fine line to my eyelashes. Next I have taken the Maybelline Colossal Kajal. I have only lined to my upper waterline, not the lower, but that's I have applied the. And next I have taken the mascara, the Maybelline Hyperluxe Curl Mascara. Today I have only applied the mascara, 2-3 coats of mascara I have to apply. I am not applying any type of falsies. Next I have taken the tissue and wipe up all the excess product to put on my face. Next I have taken the Blue Heaven primer I taken and apply all over my face. Next I have taken the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, that is my trustable and love it foundation. Firstly I shake it and take it in my back of my hand and point it all over my face, and take the beauty blender take the beauty blender and push all over my skin. Next, I have taken Darling Isabella conditioner. I highlighted my under eye area, bridge of my nose and forehead, and cupid bow, and the my mouth line. That little bit pigmentation I have, and that I very nice concealer. You have to definitely use in that is very budget friendly concealer. I have taken my beauty blender. Firstly, I have blend my mouth area and my forehead and the bridge of my nose very nicely, and beautiful concealer that's blended very easily. Next, I have blended my under eyes area, and next I have taken the loose powder, my Fit Me loose powder, and pat it all over all my concealer area, and then I have powder all over my face. That the summer season you have to push that all over your face. I have very oily skin, so I have do that. I have taken the Wet n Wild contour powder and apply my whole of my cheeks and forehead and the jawline. Firstly, I have to apply, and then I have blended very uh, seamlessly that I have to apply there, that the forehead and the my cheekbone. Next, I have taken the Swiss Beauty that the blush palette, that the coral color. I does not want to be the pinky top of look, because I want to the focus of my eyes, not lip. That I have applied very light handed that blush on my cheeks. Next, I have taken the Maybelline Makeup Revolution highlighter. That is very good highlighter, but it's lovely highlighter. I have the higher point of my face, bridge of the nose, forehead, and cupid's bow. I have back to my eyes. I have take the pink shade I have applied, that I am applied to my lower lines and highlighted my inner corners. That the same highlighter I have to apply that, and my brow bones I have highlighted that is, and mascara in my lower lashes. Then I have taken the Makeup Revolution makeup fixer and dab it all over my face. Next, I have taken the Wet n Wild lip shade. That is, I thought that the nude shade, but firstly I have applied. It look nice, but I have a little bit issue for that. That is the color, guys. If you are liking that lipstick shade, please write down. And next, I have taking the Faces of Canada, the pink shade that I have applied to my lips. I love it that face, and that is enhance my eyes. That the finished look, guys. If you are a little bit be like that my video, please say like, share, and subscribe my videos. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you.